Imagine standing on a massive construction site today, with cranes towering overhead, workers in hard hats shouting over the roar of machinery, and concrete pouring slowly into forms that will take weeks to set. Now picture that same site in just a few years, silent except for the hum of electric machines, robots laying bricks precisely, drones zipping overhead mapping progress in real time, and walls rising from giant 3D printers layer by layer. The construction industry, long seen as slow to change, is on the verge of a revolution driven by smart innovations that promise to make building faster, safer, cheaper, and far more sustainable. These aren't distant dreams. Many are already here, transforming projects around the world and setting the stage for how we'll build tomorrow. Let's dive into the innovations that are genuinely changing construction forever. First, consider 3D printing in construction, one of the most exciting breakthroughs. Companies like Icon and Apis are using massive printers to extrude concrete walls directly on site, creating homes in days instead of months. A single-story house can now be printed in under 24 hours for a fraction of traditional costs, with less waste and fewer workers needed on site. This technology allows for complex curves and designs that would be impossible or prohibitively expensive with conventional methods. In places like Texas and Dubai, entire communities of 3D printed homes are rising, offering affordable housing solutions while reducing material use by up to 60%. Next, robotics is stepping in to handle the heavy, repetitive, and dangerous tasks that have defined construction for centuries. Robots from firms like Boston Dynamics-inspired models or specialized bricklaying bots can work tirelessly, placing thousands of bricks per day with millimeter precision. They reduce human error, speed up timelines, and most importantly, keep workers away from hazardous areas like high scaffolding or heavy lifting zones. In combination with AI, these robots are becoming semi-autonomous, learning from site conditions to adapt their work. Modular and prefabricated construction is another game-changer, where buildings are assembled like giant Lego sets, components are built in controlled factory environments, then transported and snapped together on site. This approach cuts construction time by 50% or more, minimizes weather delays, and produces higher quality with less on-site waste. The global modular market is exploding, projected to reach hundreds of billions as cities demand faster ways to build homes, offices, and schools. Drones are revolutionizing site management and surveying. Equipped with cameras and sensors, they capture high-resolution images and data to create accurate 3D models of sites in minutes, compared to days for traditional surveys. They monitor progress, spot safety issues, and even deliver small tools, improving efficiency and reducing risks. Artificial intelligence is weaving through all these technologies, predicting delays, optimizing schedules, and managing resources with unprecedented accuracy. AI tools analyze vast data from sensors on equipment and sites to forecast problems before they happen, saving millions in overruns. Smart materials are emerging too, like self-healing concrete that repairs its own cracks using embedded bacteria or capsules. When water seeps into a crack, it activates the healing agents, sealing the damage and extending structure life dramatically. This reduces maintenance costs and enhances durability, especially for bridges and infrastructure exposed to harsh conditions. Sustainable practices are at the core, with low-carbon concretes, recycled materials, and energy-efficient designs becoming standard. Electric and hybrid machinery is replacing diesel, cutting emissions on sites. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, enhanced with digital twins, allows virtual testing of every aspect before a shovel hits the ground. These innovations address the industry's biggest challenges: labor shortages, rising costs, safety concerns, and environmental impact. Projects are completing faster, with fewer accidents and lower carbon footprints. The result is a construction sector that's not just building structures, but building a better future. But now, let's shift gears and talk about what's buzzing in the industry whispers, the rumors and speculations that have everyone excited, or skeptical, about what's next. I've heard from sources close to major players that fully autonomous construction sites might be closer than we think, perhaps piloted in remote areas by 2027 or 2028. Imagine robots coordinating entirely without human oversight, using advanced AI to handle everything from excavation to finishing. It could solve labor shortages overnight, but will regulations keep up, or will safety concerns delay it indefinitely? There are murmurs about self-healing concrete becoming mainstream sooner than expected, maybe integrated into major infrastructure projects within the next few years. Some say bacteria-based versions are already outperforming expectations in tests, potentially making repairs obsolete. On the flip side, others argue scalability issues and higher upfront costs might keep it niche for a decade. Rumors swirl around hyper-advanced 3D printing, with talk of printers building multi-story skyscrapers on site using new composite materials. Companies are allegedly developing mobile printers that could erect towers in weeks, but material strength for heights remains a big question mark. Will it happen, or stay limited to low-rise? Modular construction is rumored to dominate urban development, with entire high-rises prefabricated and assembled like puzzles. Whispers suggest costs could drop another 30% with AI-optimized factories, but supply chain vulnerabilities might slow global adoption. Drones evolving into swarms for collaborative tasks, like collective lifting or real-time adaptive surveying, is another hot rumor. It might revolutionize megaprojects, yet battery life and airspace rules could ground those ambitions. AI is said to be on the cusp of generative design that not only optimizes but invents entirely new building forms, potentially slashing energy use by half. But will it truly transform aesthetics and functionality, or just tweak existing designs? There are exciting speculations about bioengineered materials, like concrete grown from living organisms or wood stronger than steel through genetic tweaks. It could make construction carbon negative, but ethical and regulatory hurdles might push it far into the future, or accelerate it unexpectedly. Electric autonomous heavy equipment is rumored to flood sites soon, with retrofits making old machines green overnight. This might cut emissions drastically, though infrastructure for charging on remote sites remains a potential roadblock. Smart cities fully integrated with construction tech, where buildings adapt in real time to occupants and weather, are talked about in insider circles. It sounds revolutionary, but data privacy and cybersecurity risks could temper the rollout. Finally, there's buzz about space-age tech trickling down, like nanomaterials for ultralight, super-strong structures, or even printing on the moon as a testbed. It may or may not influence earthly construction soon, but the possibilities are endless. These rumors highlight the uncertainty. Some innovations will explode and redefine everything, others might fizzle due to practical limits. The truth is, construction's future is bright but unpredictable, driven by bold ideas that may or may not fully materialize. What we do know is that the pace of change is accelerating, and staying ahead means embracing both proven tech and the exciting unknowns. Whether these speculations become reality or evolve differently, one thing is clear. The construction industry is innovating like never before, and the buildings of tomorrow will be smarter, greener, and more efficient than we can fully imagine today.